We have created our new movie page. We have linked it to our views page through this method right here, updated our URLs, and we created the links for on the dashboard for our logout and our new movie. So next up we're doing right now is creating our submit. Um, Name equals, that name doesn't matter, right?
Not for the submit button. Yeah,
Okay.
just the value.
Alright, whatever. Value equals add movie.
Yeah, what did it mean, Marjorie?
It's just what we
That's
see.
whatever shows up on the button.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So now when we refresh it, we should see add movie right here. We don't oh no. And then when we click it, it should go back to this page. So that means, is it this page that we should stay on after we add movie?
For now.
Okay. Okay. Alright, cool. And so now we have to find a way to link what we input in here to our
So you guys are still
Django.
using the database, right?
Yeah, we are. Yeah. So we got to find a way to link whatever we input in this HTML into this views, so that way we can create objects of movies from that. So,
So what's the first thing we do?
we don't have to. Do we have to worry about validation?
Oh, we print the request off.
Oh yeah, you keep on every time. Alright. Request dot post. Okay.
Very nice.
Do year, give me a movie.
Jaws.
Year. I don't know. Alright. So now we should Jaws 1985. So now we got it. Now we need to create our object based on what we receive from this. So movie.
We need to validate first.
You want to validate? Okay, yeah, that's a good thing. So let's go to our models. Do we still use user manager, or we gotta use
We'll make
movie manager? Okay.
So movie
Manager. Models dot manager.
So you're missing an manager.
Oh, thank you. Okay. Then we need to make sure that we include in our movie class that objects equal movie manager. Cool. And then after that, what we want to do, we want to pass the value. So we want to do movie validator self form. Then we want to set the title equal to form title.
Title equals. Isn't self-title?
Oh no, it's.
That's where we did it right here.
Yeah.
So we got our title.
It's just a variable.
Year equals form year. So now we got these two. Now we need to create our errors dictionary. Oops. And then we need to create our ifs. So if not title, so that means nothing's entered in. Then errors for the title.
Maybe you should rename error to errors then, if you're missing errors.
Oh yeah, thanks. Equals. Please enter movie title. Okay. Then are there any?
Not here.
Title must be 2 characters or more. Okay.
So are you going to use an elif or are you going to use an if not?
We're gonna use the elif for the title, but then we'll use another if not for the year. So elif title is, what is it, less than? Must be 2 characters. So less than 2. Then we want to errors title must be at least 2 characters. Then we want to do another if not. for our year. Oops. Year. Please enter the year movie was released. And then Aleph must be after 98, before 2018 or current year. Okay, so 1888 through 2019. Aleph year. Alright, hold on. Guess. Year is less, greater than or equal to 1988.
Can't you use
Or-
in range for that?
Oh, you could use in range. Year in range. You're gonna have to need this, right?
It's not inclusive, remember.
Anything
Okay.
not-
1888, comma 2019,
Should it be 2020 or 2019?
because it's
Yeah,
not
I think
inclusive.
that wireframe was made in 2018, so that's why it says 2018. Yeah,
So-
let's do 20.
Okay, cool. Errors. Year. Please enter a real movie. Alright, cool. Nah, but seriously though, let's just say year between a year after 1888.
That includes 1888, actually.
It does include
It
18?
does. It
Okay.
just doesn't include 2020.
Okay. Oh, okay.
First
So we
number
need
is
to, like,
inclusive,
say-
the last is not.
Okay. To 1887. Oh, so 1888 should be right. No, 87 because it should be after 87.
Because you wrote after.
Oh yeah, you could have
For
2019.
2019. Okay. Okay. So now we got our validation. Is our validation good to go? Yeah, those are only two things. So now we will move forward to the, if we got past it. So return errors. And we're gonna go to our views. And now we have to make sure that we're good on our movie. So if print errors, let's make sure we got our errors together. When we get to this page, don't we have to take in errors? We don't have to take in errors,
It's
do we?
gonna, errors will be returned
Okay.
once you call that function. It's going to
Okay.
call the function and pass in the request post.
Okay, cool.
So you haven't called the function yet.
I thought I called it in my HTML.
No, it can't be called from the HTML.
Alright, so it's not called there. I started called there. Oh, I have to call it right here. You're right.
Oh,
Cool. So it's call it errors equals movie dot objects dot, what do we call it? Movie validator.
Windows Manager.
Lowercase. Movie validator. Movie validator. Request post. Okay. Let's see if it works. Yeah, let's do both. Let's do both empty first. So we add this movie. Okay, we should get. Please enter the movie. Get the movie's release. And let's say we just enter this and say 1990. And we should get. Time must be at least 2 characters. So let's do AD and let's do 1887. And then we should get. It didn't show up.
Oh, you put a valid here. Is that a valid?
Yeah, I guess that's what it's saying. 1886.
1,000.
A 17 by 2 or something.
I wanted. So is it working? Let's try
It's
17.
not working.
It's not working.
It's not working. Right. So anything in-range didn't work.
There is
We did that in models,
a
right? Do we have to?
Should work.
What's the type of number coming in from the phone? And what are you comparing it
It's a string of an integer. No, it's
to?
an integer.
Print out type of form year. Or type out type of year. Print out type of year.
Print out type of year.
So back in the models, just before you use year, or yeah, so maybe right after line 11, just print out type of year. I think it's just print and then type.
Oh, okay.
It's a string. So for the elif, just surround year.
For the Aleph. Oh, okay. Like this?
Not shall probably
From range 1888 to 2020. So, right.
Aleph int of year. Oh wait, no, right here. Int type of year.
That you can comment
This right here?
that. Yeah.
It doesn't say. It doesn't tell us. Oh, it says class string. You're right.
There it's
Okay.
a string, but we changed it to an int.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is
The
range
range
its
1888.
is range its own type by any chance?
It should be returning a list from 1888 to 2019. So,
How come we don't use the or statement?
You put in. Put not in.
Yeah, not in. Yeah, that's what. Yeah, right. Yeah.
We were expecting an error. There we go.
There you go, Curry. Alright. Alright, so now we got our validation set for the form. Now we need to make sure we're able to access the information and remove it. So we created the post, we got our errors, if errors. Let's go ahead and make sure we can view them. Tree, value and errors, items, message. We're gonna do tags. You don't want to do tags
I don't
today?
think you need to now because. Yeah, actually you could. Erase them up. Yeah.
Okay.
Just copy that line.
Yeah. Do we want to redirect to?
Not to the home. Not to the home. But yeah, you should redirect to new.
You movie.
Hold on. Wait.
That's what you mean?
So your form is going to new movie.
Our form is going to. No, it's not going to movie.
It's going to movie. Wait.
Movie form.
You know it is going to new movie.
Oh, it is, yeah.
But new movie is supposed to render the form. You want a separate method to handle
Gotcha.
Yes, I would.
So we want to add movie first, right?
Sure. And then let's change form where it's going.
Okay. So instead of this line should be
So just, yeah, you can leave that there.
okay.
And you move, oh, if it's up to you. If you want to move that to add movie.
Right, and then just redirect
Yeah.
to there. Okay. Okay.
Move form on line
Oh
7.
yeah. Return.
You got to
So
control.
you need else.
Redirect. So where we're gonna go
And
if it turns
actually,
out
and
it's
then,
right?
like line 17 should go to add movie
You're right. And then this one should stay at new movie, right? So if we add a movie, if we come right here and we click add movie, it shouldn't take us back over here. It should take us.
now. Well, this is confusing now. Because, like, I think your form should go to add movie. Because that's how where your button says. Add
Gotcha.
movie. But then when you click on the link, new movie, it actually goes to new movie. Because right now you're going to have to
So
change the link.
when we click add movie, it should take us back to this page.
No, stay. There. If you click add movie.
Stay on this page if there are errors.
Yes.
If there are errors.
But if there's no errors and we add a movie,
Then it would just go to the home, like,
home
Wouldn't
page.
it go to that one on the bottom that we haven't created yet? Because if you add a movie, then wouldn't it then display the movie that's been added?
it's up to you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, if you want to just display it right away.
Okay.
Or
Up
you
to
can
y'all.
show it here.
What y'all wanna do? Let's just do home for right now because we don't really know. We haven't got to that point.
You need that one.
Yes, dashboard. Thank you.
I think your link to new movie
Mhm.
is going to the post instead of the render.
You done missed the picture and everything, man.
Now we gotta take another one.
Oh no, man. We in session now. We recording as we speak, man.
So,
I'll get you caught up in a sec. Let's get through this.
let's just see what happens.
Let's just see what happens.
So
Okay.
go to the dashboard first and click on this is going to your the one that redirects. This should be going to the one that renders. So this should be going to admin meeting. The way you have it right now.
Okay.
You also don't have a URL for that.
For add movie,
I don't think you created a URL. But you
Oh.
also have.
you're right. Yeah, it was all worth it. Oh, no. All right. Let's come on. I know you have to use some curve, so. All right.
So when you click on that link,
It takes us to.
it's going to where the form would be submitted to. That's not what you want.
We want to go to where to add movie. We want to start the process of adding it, and then put this through.
So just rename those. Just switch the names.
Okay. Okay. Cool.
New movie should render new movie.html.
Okay.
And then your form should go to add movie. And that one, yes, that needs to change as well. Redirect. Oh, that one's fine.
This one needs to go to new movie though, right? If it passes with no errors, it
If
should
there
go
are
to.
errors, it should go
It should stay at
to
add
new
movie. When
Line
is
17 should go to new movie.
isn't that if they have errors though, right? Oh, you're right. You're right. You're right. And this is the add movie.
That should be, no, that should be.
Gotcha.
Or whatever.
Okay. Okay.
Let's after it's been successfully added, then we go back to there right now.
Wait. So you're saying that if we do this successfully, if we do this part successfully, shouldn't we go to this page to render the page where we have a new movie? And then if this is for we have errors. So if we have errors, then we don't want to submit it through here or present this page.
If you have errors, you want to display, you want to render a movie
Okay, I got you.
But your form
Gotcha.
right now, check your form where the action is
Check that form. You were talking about like on the browser?
New movie.html.
Okay. It's going to add movie.
Okay, that's fine.
That is fine. So we submit it. It goes here to add a movie. It does the checks and errors. If it fails, then it comes back over to here, which in turn does this again. Right. And then if it passes, it goes to dashboard with everything in there. Okay, cool. So if it passes, then let's just create the object, and then we'll let Kurt lead us forever.
So,
Request.
are you saving something in session, or are you?
Don't we need? Oh yes. We don't need to save in session, even though we're going to another page. Oh, okay. Yeah. Movie equal movie dot objects dot create title equals. Okay. Title and then year equals first dot first. Yeah. Okay. So now it's officially in our database, so we can be able to access that movie anytime.
Let's see if it works.
Okay. Oh, we want to print it, right?
Also, we don't have error messages showing on the screen. I don't think
Yeah,
it's
No.
locked.
We
We
didn't-
have the extra tags already, but we don't, at least to show all the messages on.
So that is a matter of posting it here, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, let's do that. Oh my gosh. We didn't have labels either.
That's fine.
Okay. This one is the title, and this one is yeah. All right, ready? Okay. Maybe
So if I just paste,
try hitting maybe. Oh, okay. Cool. And then if we hit A, that's a cool. And yes, 1972, 792, cool. Yes. Yeah, fine. This is what she was
so
talking
check your
about.
terminal. You can see. So what did it said? Not null constraint failed.
At the top? Right here. Yeah.
Added by.
Oh, yeah, because we didn't do our cascade.
No, because we didn't supply an ID for the add file. So when you look at this table, if you were to go to Google browser, I think so.
Mm-hmm.
So refresh, or yeah, go to movie. You gave the title, you gave the year, but you didn't give added by ID. So we need to provide the added by ID. What would that be?
Maybe the user.id. plus right 5 dot ID.
You can just, it says underscore ID. Whatever your foreign key that you called it,
Uh-huh.
it automatically creates a column called that name underscore ID.
Gotcha. Yeah, so we need to enter that, and
Yes.
then that equals the
User insertion.
like that. Without
How
oh,
you get it out.
of course. Okay. Same quote. All right, let's see if we got it. I did. Right.
No, no, that's correct. You don't need to.
Oh, I added an extra one.
No, that's for the create.
Oh, that's for the create.
I think
Yeah.
it's fine.
Oh, that's the end of
Yeah.
That's cool.
Just go to stop.
Yeah.
Because
Cause we're logged in. We're logged in.
Technically, you should have. Okay. So let's take that.
Just let's see. To the app. All right, we're good to go. All right. Are we gonna take this picture real quick for that?
I can take it for you. Okay, we can get somebody else to take a picture. Is this still recording?
It is. Should I stop
Do you
it?
want to stop it? Just remember to start it again.
Yeah.